Smith, counsellor for the Knockpatchy Division, waking up to the tragic news of another senseless killing in the community of Albion in the Knockpatchy Division, where two young men lost their life and one is in the hospital treating gunshot wound. It's never a good thing for any community. It instills fear in the community, a normally quiet community, and it instills fear in the community, and we're encouraging anybody who has anything to do with it, who know anything, to just try and assist the police in bringing whoever is responsible to this to a quick justice. We need to act more as a community. Somebody must know something. So we're asking any information you can assist the police with in helping them to solve this gruesome murder quickly would be highly appreciated.
Any idea what the motive was?
I have absolutely no idea about the motive. I am not sure. I doubt it is robbery, but I have no idea what the motive would be. Absolutely no idea.
Based on information that you're picking up on the ground, have you heard whether the culprit or culprits stole anything from the bar after?
Well, I heard on leaving the bar they took up some items, I think money, cigarette or some other items. I'm not quite sure, but that's just word of mouth, persons saying things.
No doubt an incident like this, at times the police clamp down on the area and reduce the nightlife for residents. Talk to me about that and the importance of residents coming forward.
Well, to be honest, anything that makes the Knockpatchy Division safer, I am fully involved. I'm into it. So if it means a lockdown, a curfew, as long as we bear fruit from it, then I'm fully for it.
Thanks.
You're welcome.